It is a rainy morning and I am here in Thane. Have come here for a site survey to one of the buildings where we are planning to put solar. The solar installation has to be done in such a way that we install the solar panels in a shadow free area. Now you look at this terrace. I have been in this field for more than 10 years and I must have visited thousands of terraces to plan how to install solar panels. Now here is this building where you can see a lot of objects which are very creative for the builder and for the developer, but for me these are very big dangers. I cannot install solar panels in a normal way in this society. Now look at this height and the curvatures and the designs and everything. However, my question is, how am I going to install solar on this terrace? Now the front view, what you are seeing is the north part of the building, and you can see the objects on the east side. Now when the sun will rise, these objects will put shadow on the area of the terrace where I want to put the panels, which means that I cannot get proper sunlight to generate power. I have been always talking to the developers and builders who are designing the terrace, and I always request them to have a solar panel provision on that terrace so that we can have proper solar panels and most of the power can be generated through solar for the societies. Currently these societies in Thane, they have got a big power consumption and a monthly bill could come to more than 2 to 3 lakh rupees, and the rate of MSEB over here is more than 20 rupees, which means that if you install solar, your investment will be recovered in less than 2 years. However, this is a big challenge for us to install solar, about how to design the solar panels such that it can produce maximum generation. Now we have a plan to install solar panels over here above the height of these curves what you are seeing on the left, and which helps us to get maximum sunlight over solar panels. Another thing which we have already experienced is that any object on the east side will have shadow only till say 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the morning, and after that there will be good sunlight till the sunset. So what we are planning is to cover the whole terrace over here at a height of around 10 feet and make it inclined towards little on the west side, so that the sunlight will be coming on the panels from say morning 10 o'clock to sunset, and that will allow us to generate maximum solar power. So let us see how we can design the panels. We can also use the place between these two wings. See, there is a lot of ample space where we can identify how much shadow free area we can get for all day. Thirdly, we will install the solar panels above these wings. There is a big space in between these two beautiful objects which the developer thinks he has done, and that will also help us in installing a lot of solar panels. So we are very positive in spite of all these obstacles and objects which are just creative and has no meaning for us solar installers. We always want to request all the developers to plan their terrace to provide maximum solar panels. I hope they are listening. Thank you very much.